Welcome to the world of robotics with Electronics and Robo kit. This kit is a complete kit for learners to learn the concepts of electronics as well as logic-based robots. Get components like traces, motors, wheels, ICs, transistors, multimeter, breadboard, etc. to build creative robots. Build 40 plus projects and 10 plus robots. We are providing step-by-step video tutorials for all the projects available. Create different projects like battery level indicator, magnet detector, IR obstacle detector, electronic dice, dark follower, pit avoider, two-wheeled wired bot, motion detecting bot using IR. Learn about different concepts of logic-based robots and non-programmable robots and electric concepts. Control your bots using remote. Increase your levels of creativity, logical thinking, problem solving and critical thinking with us. Join us today.